Hey guys, hope everyone's having a great day. Welcome back to the channel. What I'm trying to do today is right here, this is my headlight that has been oxidized is the word they like to say it, or it's sunburned. It's been faded, it's faded. This happens on the plastics of older Toyotas or a lot of older Japanese cars, probably early 2000s cars. And 90s cars, the headlights get faded. I think on newer models of cars, maybe just because they're newer, but I don't think that they actually have as much fade. They might have fixed it in the plastic that they put in now. That being said, these were brand new. I got a new set of these and I installed them. And about 2.5 years of being out in the sun, just being outside, normal driving, they've decided to start fading. So what I want to do is I want to do a headlight restoration system from 3M. I've used a lot of these before. I like the brand 3M. I think it's an American company. I really like the brand 3M. And 3M, so I'm going to be using this. I've used Rain-X in the past before, it worked well. What comes in this kit to restore this headlight, I'm going to open this up. Inside of the kit, we're going to get right here, there's like a before and after picture. This is for a drill. You're going to need a drill. So you're going to need a drill to do this, but you get an orbital pad or a drill pad. Then you get the different types of sandpaper. So coarse to softer to P500 to 300 to 2000. So you get different size of coarseness of paper. They actually give you a ton of pads in this, so it feels like you can definitely do both headlights, which is nice. And then here comes the, this is what screws into the drill. You tie your drill to this. And then also it came in the package, the 3M compound, so a rubbing compound, a polish. Sometimes the kits come with a sealant, a headlight sealant. I'm not sure if this one does, but I'll look at this, what this one is. But it does come with the rubbing compound, which I'll show you guys how to use all that. So let's go ahead and jump into it. The first things first is that my Toyota MR2 right here, it has headlight covers right here that I actually Velcroed on, as you guys can see like that, so you can just pull these off. Like that. But now I'm going to actually remove that Velcro real quick so I can get a nice clean side. But wow, look at the difference. This is a step that you're probably not going to have to do, but if you do have headlight covers on, you might want to remove this. I just use two-sided Velcro, and I Velcro the C1 headlight covers just in case I ever wanted to remove them. So the next step would be on this is if your car was in new paint or nice paint, this vehicle will be getting painted sometime, hopefully soon. You would want to cover and protect this. So what you can do is use masking tape, and you use masking tape and you cover your paint from getting sanded. This paint on mine is not in that great a condition, and the whole car is going to be getting repainted. But it'd be nice to have a nice clear lens cover while the car is getting painted, so that when I get the car back, it looks new. So that's what we're going to be doing is we're just going to be cleaning this headlight lens cover. But if you wanted to do this on yours and you're using this kind of as a tutorial, I would cover this right here and then down and around with masking tape so that we don't have the sandpaper touch the corners of this. But my paint doesn't really matter, so we're just going to go ahead and go at it. The next thing you're going to need is a spray bottle, red and black, red and black. And you're going to cover this whole thing in water, just like that. You're going to continue to use this spray bottle as you continue to do the project. So you might have to refill it a couple times, but you want to get this all wet because we're going to be wet sanding it. So just like that, we're going to get this wet. Is you're going to take your drill, red and black, and then you're going to need to put this drill bit on that's provided in the 3M kit. Righty tighty. You take the lowest number, so this one it's P500, so it's 500 is the grit level. You're going to take the lowest one on there, and then now you're just going to go ahead and you're going to do it, and you're just going to, so you take the lowest one, the lowest grit paper with your drill, get it all wet with your water, and you're just going to go into it right now. So this is automatically, get it going, and just, there we go. And you're going to do it around the whole headlight. And you're going to see this white creamy paste come off. What that is the oxidation. You're sanding the headlight. Now, if you don't keep it lubricated, it does become very, it scratches the surface quite a bit. You need to see all of this oxidation coming off. It's pretty amazing. This is so oxidized. But it'll look brand new when I'm all done. I highly recommend using a drill, such as a power tool, versus just using your, there's kits that you can use your arm, your muscle. I don't recommend it. I recommend using a drill. Or orbital. Drill works just fine. So I'm just spraying down all the oxidation. And I'm not really going into a pattern, I'm just making sure that I hit every spot. Medium to light pressure on this. So you can see that I went over it and it is definitely removing all the yellow. I'm just going to spray that all over now. Alright, so I've now switched to the P800. So we're going to do the same thing. This is just with the P800. So it's just a softer grit paper. So now we're just sanding it down to get a nice smooth surface. Alright, Buff Mitch is checking in. It's a new day. My camera died and my drill died. So where we left off is we were using the clear pad right here. So this is the last sanding pad right here. I'll go get my battery and charger and put it back on. That was the last one we're using. As you guys can see, this is what it looks like right there. I'm really excited. It got messy. You're definitely gonna need to wash the car. All that stuff on the car is the sanded off hazing. That's all the oxidation. So we're gonna go ahead and go over it one more time with that, and then I'm gonna show you guys how to do the rubbing compound. What you need to do is take this last pad, it's gray, or it's the finest, whatever kit you get, it'll just be the highest sanding paper. Do the highest grit, so if it's the highest number of grit, it means it's the smoothest or finest. So I'm just gonna rinse all this off again. And do a couple extra steps on this one. Reason why is because it'll make the last rubbing compound have a better result. I learned that already. So this is actually my second pass of doing this one. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go ahead and wipe it off. I'm actually out of these. These are my microfibers. I love them. Right there, beautiful. Actually, I don't think I have any more. I think I'm out, sold out. So I'm going to wipe it all down though, wipe the headlight down. And then I'll end up washing the car soon. But I want to get all that residue kind of off right there. And then we're going to remove that pad. So this is that finer pad, we'll remove that one. And then we're going to grab, this is for the compound, so the rubbing compound, which is the rubbing compound is similar to like wax. So we're going to go ahead and put this pad on, center it up, it's kind of oversized, like that, as you guys can see. And then what we're going to do is take some of this rubbing compound, this one, but you're going to use some of it and you're going to put it onto a dollop is what they say, right in the middle. That's a pretty good portion of it right there. You got to save it for your other light, save on it. And then you do this, cover the whole area. Like this. I actually might need a little bit more, we'll see. Alright, and then now what we're going to do what this exactly sounds like, we're going to do a rubbing compound and we're going to rub this compound into the headlight and it'll give us our final product. so that looks so much better. A lot of the yellow has gone. Oh, that looks good. Look at that. You can actually see into the headlight. That looks really good. That is so much better. These are huge headlights. They're so big. I had a big hand, and that is just a huge headlight. What I'm going to do, my one last step, is I'm actually going to take some hand rubbing compound. So I'm going to go ahead and let this wax right here. I'm going to let it haze over. While I do that, I'm going to start working on the passenger side. Okay, so that one over there is hazed over because I did the first step on it. The finished one now has the completed wax that has dried on it. I'm going to use my drill once more with a clean. This is a different foam pad, and I'm just going to buff this off with the wax. This is going to be the final step. Alright, so that's it. There is the final product. That is spick and span. That looks awesome. So nice. That looks so good. Highly recommend doing this. This is awesome. There you go. So that's how you do that. As the other one, I got to start doing this one as well. That's it. I'm gonna finish up this video. Oh, yeah, that's awesome. So it's one of those things that's gonna be cool when you go to get my car painted, this car painted, because if you take care of your own personal belongings, like when you take your car to a dealership to get it painted or whatever you're gonna do, people see that's a nice car, so then they'll treat it nicer. If it's a dirty car, faded headlights, they're not gonna treat it as nice. So that looks nice. That's a big difference. I'm really, really happy. I think that I've done this in the past. It lasts about 2 to 3 years on these, maybe 3 years. Before the headlights start to haze over. If you buy a kit that does have a sealant over it, when you put it on there, make sure you put it on there real quick and easy. Don't rub it in too much or it becomes sticky. I've done sealant kits like that, and sometimes it doesn't become smooth, but this looks just awesome. So I'm doing one more waxing coat on this one, and then the final waxing coat on this one, and then I'll get the final results of these. We'll just take an image, look at the image of this, and then we'll go ahead. I'll do the final for both. Alright, so I think this lighting does the best. You see how shiny it is? Holy smokes. Wow. So yeah, that looks awesome. That looks like new. Wow, that is so cool. Both of them look like new. Great, that is awesome. So that is how you go ahead and polish the lenses on here. So those are some amazing results. I really recommend the 3M. That's pretty awesome. A little bit of elbow grease and you'll get a really nice shine on it. I didn't say this, but these things feel like literally super glossy smooth. Gorgeous. I'm gonna run off to the gym, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit the like button if you did. I might do a video how to install those C1 side eyelid covers. I think that might be cool. And then I'll wash the car in the next video. I hope you guys enjoyed this though, but that's awesome. That really needed it. That's gonna look awesome. I can't wait to actually get the whole car painted. Awesome little car. See you in the next video.